Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be preparing potatoes and eggs. This is a 15 minutes recipe that you can prepare for your family this Ramadan as an iftar starter, or any other day. You can prepare this for breakfast, lunch. So start by cutting your potatoes into pieces, then heat up your pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter or prestige, then add the potatoes. Stir this for 2 to 3 minutes. Kindly subscribe to help me grow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help me and subscribe, like, and leave a comment. After 3 minutes, add 1 chopped onion and stir this for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the onions start to brown just a little bit. Then I seasoned with salt and then added 2 chopped fresh tomatoes. I first used 1 tomato, then I added another tomato after realizing I needed this recipe to have more tomatoes. Stir this until the tomatoes are soft. We want the tomatoes to be soft and also the potatoes to be ready. Do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Whenever you click on your bell, kindly go ahead and click on all notifications. Season with any other spice and herb of your choice that you love to taste in this recipe. I used paprika, black pepper. I then added a little bit of water to prevent the potatoes from sticking at the bottom and getting burnt. So whenever you're cooking anything and there is need of water, kindly use it, just a little bit of it, until you get the results you want. Kindly share, like, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. So once the potatoes are ready and the tomatoes are soft, at this rate, add the eggs. I use 2 eggs, but in this pan you can use up to 4 eggs. So yeah, do not forget to season with salt and pepper. This is an easy meal that you can prepare. It can be for breakfast. I seasoned with salt, pepper, and oregano. You can use any herb of your choice or any other spice of your choice. Then cover and cook 2 to 3 minutes, and your iftar starter, your breakfast, your brunch is ready to be served. You can as well garnish with coriander, spring onions, and you are ready to go. You can serve this with avocado on the side, cucumber, or any other vegetable of your choice, and your meal is ready. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Kindly follow me on my other social media platforms: Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Until next time.